Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to reject a call on Redmi A5. So to do this, first of all, we will start our call. In a few seconds it will arrive, and as you can see we received the call here, and if I want to reject the call I have just to click on that red icon like this and the call is rejected. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.